Hi, my name is Andy Lau. I'm currently a data scientist at Lux Digital. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the image optimization model, also known as Model IO. So the goal of this model is to provide real-time analytics on the images used specifically for digital campaign. Essentially, this model will identify the best engagement parameter needed for from the target variables that are chosen from the drop-down menu and provide alternative images that can recommend a higher engagement rate or etc. The model we're using is specifically trained for automotive images, but it can be tailored or adjusted to suit any other types of industry or engagement type. So the model information here, we use the Stanford AI Lab repository as our data set. This data set contains over 16,000 images of cars containing 196 class of automotives. From there, we can generate synthetic data, which is typical for a digital marketing campaign, which we will use to further train our machine learning models. Furthermore, these images can be changed by using different data augmentation techniques to increase the size of the data set for increased additional accuracy. Ultimately, we can derive in real time whether a augmented image would essentially derive a higher engagement rate. For the model, we use a convolutional neural network pre-trained, and we apply transfer learning to adjust using our data set to derive a higher accuracy model depend on what we're using. So we started with a pre-trained convolutional neural network. The specific model that we're using is a ResNet with 34 layers, which is pre-trained on the ImageNet data set. We then use image embedding techniques as an input to a gradient boosted tree to generate probability of a specific target variable that we will show later. For a higher accuracy score, we use ensembling methods to achieve a even higher accuracy score. Later version of this model contains accuracy score, which will be better explain the origin and the model outputs. So for our target variable, we have four different target variables. We have open rate, which is a percentage of recipient who opens your email. Click-through open rate, which is the number of clicks that your campaign received divisible by the number of times your ad is shown. Revenue for email is revenue generated per email. And then conversion rate, which is the percentage of subscriber who completes a goal action after reading an email. For campaign type, we have 9 different campaign types. So we have abandoned card, we have newsletter, promotional, survey, transactional, webinar, engagement, review requests, or product announcement. We also can adjust for a different types of industry. We have energy, entertainment, finance, healthcare, hospitality, real estate, retail, and software technology. So these are the 3 parameters that you can choose to adjust our model. So here we will show you a demonstration. So what you need to do is basically click on browse file and select an image. So for example, I'm going to choose a car here. And after that, you can click generate prediction. And you can see that our original images has a probability of 68.83% on open rate, and it will suggest alternative images. So the first one will give you a higher engagement rate of 81%, and then the second image will give you an 80.56%. So this is kind of the output that we're looking for. Obviously, we can generate more probability if our customers need it. Currently, you can contact us if you like to use this model. You can contact us. You can use this model first. Either contact us and we will show you how to use it, or secondly, you can use Amazon Marketplace, which is a AWS SageMaker marketplace that you can use to deploy your model. If there's any other question, feel free to reach us out.